Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to play Lumosity. If you have the Lumosity application, now all you have is to do is to open the application. In here you will find the main menu. To start playing the games of your application, you can just click on the start workout and it will give you some random or some program that depends on your workout program. It will give you an order of games. So we will click on the play game, and as you can see here we find this game. Now all we have is to quit the game, so I can show you how to play some specific games that you want. So each games uh, for example, this is a game pointing or moving. So now they are moving to the right. So all we have is to scroll to the right. Here they are, the leaves are pointing to the left, and here down, and etc. etc. If you want to play some specific games, you can do so. For example, also this is you can find other workouts modes like you have seen. The first one was only the classic mode. Here some math modes, language modes, and etc. And it will give you some specific games that will improve your math skills. If you want some specific games, all you have is to go to games, and here you will find all the games that are in the application. And also taking making consideration that not all the games are available for the free plan, so you maybe want to pay for the premium version of the game or the application to have full access to the other games. In here, you will find your states and all the states concerning each skill or each cognitive ability of you. And here in the states, also, you can find some insights that give you that are like achievements or something like this. It will give you some general ideas on your cognitive skills, depends on your achievements on, or depends on the states of each game and each skill. So this is how you play, in short, this is how you play Lumosity. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.